Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add shadow to the plot area in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create the column chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column chart. In 2D column, select the first charts and you can just drag the corner and you can increase the size of the chart. Okay, with this you can see the chart design tab also added and format tab also added. So here I'm going to add the shadow to plot area. So this is the plot area. You can see that when I keep cursor here, this is the plot area. I just click on here. So here, this is a selected area is a plot area. Okay. To add the shadow, so simply right click on the mouse. Okay. Then click on the format plot area. And in format plot area, in the first option, line, fill and line, and second is the effects. So you can use the shadow effects. Okay, so I just click on here the shadow and I select here the one shadow. Okay, after that I use here the colors. So I select here the color. When you change the color, see the color also showing here in shadow. Okay, here you can increase the transparency of shadow. Okay, size of shadow you can also increase. Okay, see the changes here. So I increase here the shadow size. Blurriness also you can set. Okay, if you want to blur shadow you can set it. Angle also you can increase or decrease. Okay, distance also 3pt. Okay, you can set here for shadow. Okay, so this is a way you can add the shadow in plot area in Excel. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.